Go ahead.
Go ahead, start.
You're ready.
Ashani, I want to show you how to floss properly. So the first thing I want you to do is tear off about 18 inches of floss. And I'm going to do this with you. And what I want you to do is start at the ends. That's pretty important. Start at the ends of the floss and wrap it up lightly so you don't wrap it so tight that your fingers turn purple. And wrap it up until you have 4 to 5 inches between your two middle fingers. And notice that we've wrapped up on our middle fingers, not our index fingers, middle fingers. This is very important. Okay, so what I want you to do is put your right thumb underneath the floss and press up so that you can feel the tension. And then I want you to take your left index finger and place it on top like you're on a tightrope and push down. And I want you to slide your index finger up to your thumb. Very good. Now I want you to rotate your left hand until your left index finger is pointing toward your nose. And then I want you to drop your right hand so that the thumb is totally in line with that index finger and lock your hands together tight. This is the tool. This is what you're going to use to floss your teeth. So the first thing we're going to do, and this is just to demonstrate to get the proper way to floss your teeth. We're going to start on the two front teeth and we're going to work back on the right hand side. So you're set up to do the upper right hand side. But for demonstration purposes, we're going to just do the two front teeth right now. So I want you to go up and I want you to get between your two front teeth, and you're going to, for most people, you're going to feel a little snap. And once you feel that snap, I want you to stop, because I want you to now to take the time to push toward your left ear. So you're actually wrapping that floss like a C. And you want your thumb to be touching the front of your tooth, and you want your index finger touching the back of your tooth, or getting as close together as possible. Then I want you with your hands and elbows and arms as one unit to floss up underneath your gum as far as you can go, and go up and down, pressing hard against the side of your front tooth. And once you've done that 2 or 3 times, I want you to lean toward your right ear and go up and down. And if you're doing it correctly, you should hear a squeaky sound. Do you hear that?
Mm-hmm.
Good. All right, so like I said, you're set up for the right hand side, so you can come out and move over and do another tooth on the upper right hand side. Again, you want to make sure that your finger and thumb are as close together, that your hand stays locked, that you push against the side of the tooth. You move up and down with a squeaky sound, pushing toward your left ear, and then you push toward your right ear and go up and down, and then out. Good. I think that's good.